Where are we going?
To one of the most modern cities. Kasi going back to the story, they were bombed in World War II, so they had to rebuild this city. Rebuild this city. You will know later. We will show you.
Surprise, surprise.
We're gonna tour you around. You're gonna enjoy!
We will go there later.
Oh yeah. We are. So, first stop, kain.
Saan tayo kakain?
Kain muna. Kumain muna kayo para hindi kayo mag-away ng mga jowa nyo. Dapat busog.
First rule.
First rule. Eto ay maganda dito. Maganda. Maganda dito. Eto na. Mart Hall. Nasa Rotterdam kami ngayon. Eto tinatawag to Mart Hall. Dati siyang lumang market. But then now it's like a food court. Parang ganon. It's famous.
Food market.
Yeah, parang ganon. On a regular day, like Monday, ganyan, walang colors na nakikita nyo ngayon. So, market day lang sila lumalabas. Nandito na tayo yun. Nandito na sa SM.
SM. Meron din dito parang tricycle, oh.
Meron naman yan.
Oh yeah, by the way, it's Saturday, kaya maraming tao.
Kahit wala lang maraming tatanong. Hindi pala malamig ngayon.
Because it's spring.
Pagkaman sa na food court, sabi ka na si... But look up. Nice. Oh, hindi ko alam kung sino nagpinta niyan. Sino ba nagpinta niyan? Hindi natin
It's not painted.
Ano ba yan? I-google natin mamaya.
May mga shops din.
Halos lahat ng mga kaibigan namin na bumibisita sa amin dito, dinadala talaga namin dito. Because here, you can find so much varieties when it comes to food. So, in general,
From all over the world.
You can find food here.
Yep. They have Infinity.
Ang daming tao. Yung Bramladaj. Okay, pag bumisita kayo dito, kainin nyo yung Bramladaj kasi yan yung pinaka-famous fries dito. Fresh potatoes. Very fresh.
Yes.
Like your face. Alam mo, nakakatakot na.
Monsieur.
Favorite mo yan?
Yes, favorite siya. Japanese.
Ito na yung favorite na. Ano to, galing talaga to sa Portugal ba? Ang pastel na.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So this one is galing talaga to ng Portugal. Sobrang sarap. Oh my God. So,
our favorite. Naglalaway na ako.
You need to pay first.
Pa-order din po ng isang ikaw.
Kain na na. Dumpling is our favorite. Lolo.
Separate mo na ako ng pwede sa anak. Hindi ka nag-aantay ng food.
Parang baka napapit mo ka.
First review ng
Pastel de nata.
So, masarap, diba? First bite.
Yum! Ako na rin. Ito pala muna. Ay, mainit pa.
Hindi ko mauubos. It's like if egg tart and croissant had a baby, it's this one. Well, not really egg tart, but like leche flan or leche flan. If leche flan softer and croissant had a baby. Had a baby, it's this one. Baby. It's perfect.
Tagal lang ng dumpling. Isa pa?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
11 out. Okay, isa pa. Nagutom na ako.
Yum. This one. Yes. Soy sauce. And then of course a little bit vinegar. Oh, yeah, and the xiaolong bao. Oh, sorry. Yeah, thank you, Bill.
Actually, kaya ko siya ubusin. It's my cheat day today.
Okay, first.
Soy sauce. How is it? Chili sauce. Ay, chili oil. Ay, shit. Wow. Ang ganda rin. Ang ganda.
Now they didn't taste it.
Chinese to eh.
Ay, shit, mali.
Okay lang. Kunyari Japanese ka kumakain. Oishi.
Sobrang sarap.
Lekker eh?
Mga 9 out of 10.
9 lang?
Grabe naman. Mababa pa ba yun?
Hindi. Ito lang. Mainit. Ang init. Pero ano, it looks good ah. Tsaka, ito fried, ito naman, ano,
Steam.
steam.
I think this is also half steamed.
Half good. Na ano pala yung sauce sa pants ko? Shice. Siguro nakita yun sa video. Yung pagka... It's okay. Buti naka-block ako.
Ano yung order mo? The original? Get it. Give it a good shake.
Yeah. 15/10.
Wow. Bakit? Why?
Masarap. May mga kamote sa loob. Has taro inside. It's milky. It's not too cold. It's not too hot. It's just perfect.
Okay. Shout out to Infinity. Baka naman, joke lang.
Hindi ka parang mas matalino tayo dito.
Bo.
Last ko na yan.
Last mo na yan talaga. Hindi nila na-gets kasi ayan oh, may nakalagay na boba.
Kaya mas matalino tayo.
Hi. Hindi niya kilala yan.
So yes, this building here is really mind-blowing because of its structures. As you can see, it's cube houses. People actually live there. So, mas maganda ata kapag close up. Mas maganda pag nandun tayo sa loob.
Oo. Look inside is so nice.
Look here, it's nicer.
Wow. Dito ka lang pala?
Saan mo ko yun, anak? Nandiyan lang naman ako sa puso mo.
Lo. Dungeon.
Dungeon.
Dungeon. Lo.
Dito ka na sayaw na anxiety. Anxiety. Parang nag-practice naman ako. Parang hindi pa rin gumagana yung practice ko. Parang diba? She's sleeping. Ito. Ay, yes. Yes.